Hi folks, and welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today we're going to be making ratatouille in a wood-fired oven. So I've had the wood-fired oven going, we've made some embers, we're just going to pull some of these to the front. We stick a cast iron trivet in. Next we're going to add a cast iron skillet and we're going to let that warm up. Once it's warm, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm just going to heat the olive oil through. And then we're going to add 1 chopped onion. We're just going to cook this onion until it starts to soften and take on a little bit of colour. To this, we're going to add 3 chopped garlic cloves. We're going to cook this for a further minute. One last stir. Now we're going to add 500 grams, that's about 18 ounce tomato passata. That's just sieved tomatoes to me and you. We'll give this a good stir in. And we'll let this cook out for a couple of minutes. So we've got a nice simmer going, so that's it. So the next thing to do is to remove the rack. We're going to push these embers back to one side. We'll throw a couple of log splits in, get the door on, and then we'll start with the vegetables. So for this, we've got 1 green courgette, 1 yellow courgette, 1 aubergine, and 3 tomatoes. And all we need to do is just slice them up. Once they're sliced, we're just going to sit them on top of our tomato sauce. Ready to cook. So we're going to pop this back into the wood-fired oven now. The wood-fired oven is running around 200 degrees C, 400 F. We'll let this go for about 7 minutes. So after 7 minutes, we're starting to cook. We're going to put it back in, but we're going to turn it through 180 degrees to make sure we get an even cook. So we've turned it, we'll get the door back on, and we'll let it go for another 7 to 8 minutes. Our ratatouille is now ready. So this is Dutchy's ratatouille cooked in a wood-fired oven. All I'm going to do is just give it a splash of olive oil and a good sprinkling of dried Italian herbs. If you like what we're doing here with Dutchy Cooking, please remember to subscribe and hit that bell.